How to find RBC Bank Swift code from your PC or from your mobile phone just with the official website here. So let's start this video without any further delay and check that if we can find IFSC code online for the Royal Bank of Canada. For doing this, I will simply search how to find Swift code on RBC Bank, and here I will scroll down and click on the official Wise website here. Let me just do that. That is wise.com. I will click on Royal Bank of Canada here and just scroll to the down. Here it will demand for the BIC code. You can simply copy it and know the branch or branch address to from the menu. So this is all about how you can do it. You just have to go on the Wise and you can find IFSC or any type of code for any available bank account in the whole world. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching that. Please subscribe to the channel for watching more technical videos, reviews and updates like this.